Hey there, and welcome back to OnSign TV Academy. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you some other options of interactivity we have in OnSign TV. So on the previous video, I showed you touch region, but we have a couple of other options. So when we click here in this dropdown, we have press a key. So whenever the player recognizes a key pattern, it triggers the content as we want to. The other one that we have is local web API. So you could be having a different device connected to the same network and using an endpoint and a method, just like in this tutorial page, you could be checking later. So it could be triggering a campaign, you could be changing the attribute of a player, stopping a campaign that is being currently played back, and so on and so forth. And the next one is content timeout. So you could be creating interactivity which sets the timeout of a campaign. So we could be setting here a timeout of 20. So if there is no interaction with that campaign in 20 seconds, it plays something else. Okay, so these are the other types of interactivity we have. I hope you have enjoyed it. Feel free to check our tutorial page in order to understand more about it, and stay tuned for the next video.